y'all, welcome. If you're new here and you like wig tutorials, please like and subscribe. And let's jump right into today's video. I'm gonna use my 1-inch Hot Tools curling iron. I think this is the titanium one, the gold one. Run through the hair one time and then you go halfway down the shaft of the hair with your curling iron. And then you turn, move down, and you pull the clip or I forget what the name of it, but you open the mouth as you move downward and you curl, or pull and turn, I should say. Feed all the hair in to the end as much as you can. Open the mouth to feed the hair in, pull it down, and turn the barrel towards yourself. And as you turn it towards yourself, open the mouth to feed the hair in, feed it all the way to the end. You're gonna hold for about, 10-15 seconds, spray it with some hairspray. Don't drop it immediately because your curls will drop immediately. You want them to hold, so let it cool in your hand or clip them. Use some duckbill clips. Sometimes I do clip them though because it's too hot to be holding in your hand. And I'm gonna show you again. Go halfway down, begin to turn. Open up the mouth with the lever or the clip. Feed the hair through, keep turning, feed the hair through. Open the mouth, remember to open the mouth when you're coming towards yourself. For a nice uniform look, normally when I'm on the right side of my hair, I have the black tip of my curlers pointing to the right, curling away from the face. And when I'm on the left side, I have the black tip of my curlers pointing to the left, turning away from the face. So turning towards myself as well. Feed it all in there, hold it for about 10-15 seconds, then hold it in your hand or clip it until it's cool. So before my install, I put Ruby's Kisses cream foundation on the back and the top of my lace. Not on the hairs, but on the lace where I part it, and then on the back, on the bottom of the lace. I used the shade 12. This was the winter time when I made this video. So I'm a 12 in the winter and I'm 15, the darkest shade in the palette, 15 in the summer. I adjusted the bands, put the wig on. It's completely glueless. I already curled out my baby hairs and did my part and everything that I definitely know how to do better now. This was older and I was just for real starting to do baby hairs. I normally did a no baby hair look, but now I definitely know how to part with the baby hairs. That could have been a C curve for sure, but we live with land. And so I took a little foam and put them in place. Then I take some lace grip and put it on top of the baby hairs. The band on the pantyhose, use that instead of an elastic band. You can use this and an elastic band, but just definitely use this. Use that band on some pantyhose. Melt your lace, and then I comb out my baby hairs because I don't like the stiff look. I like it to look a little fluffy, and then to just move out of place throughout the day. And then I go into fixing the style, fixing the curls, combing out my curls. This unit is a 5x5 transparent lace closure wig. So I do use transparent and HD lace because I know how to melt both. You can too. I feel like a lot of darker skinned people be running from transparent lace, but like it's fine. It does as well, as you can see. Yeah, it's just I get the right shade, get the right foundation shade or concealer shade, and honestly, you should be fine. I noticed putting a darker shade, just a tad darker on the bottom of the lace, then going with your exact shade on the top. That's good too. Like, you gotta experiment. Be willing to learn. Be willing to learn. Be willing to experiment, because I'm willing to teach. You know, like if I can make these mistakes and learn, so can you. Because I mean, it's not gonna be perfect every time. You have to learn. Sometimes formulas are different things like that. It's all a process, but it can be done to achieve a flawless hairstyle. I did color this unit myself. This was a pre-made unit from one of my vendors. I was testing it out. 5x5 transparent lace, 24 inches. And I colored the unit and, you know, played with it for a while. Because my custom wigs are a little pricey, I do have these pre-made wigs that are way more affordable and cute still for my customers who don't have enough funds to really get, get the custom wig experience. So you can still get that lachicwig experience, just not custom. In the description box below, you'll find the link to our website to this exact wig unit. Y'all have a blessed one. Thanks for watching.